Hi friends, and welcome back to the Pines. My name is Anne and I'm here to show you one of our lattes. It's going to be our studio floor plan. It's bi-level with a lovely spiral staircase. Can't wait to show you. So first things first, let's take a look at a little bit of the differences for the outside features. Of course, here we've got a nice little area for you to have a little patio space, or a nice little outdoor area where you could do a little garden, maybe a table. And of course, here got your mail for you right at your entry. Now this apartment also features those lovely digital locks for us to give us that keyless entry as well as the manual key entry. Let's go inside. So right here, when we first walk in, got a nice little vestibule-ish area here with a nice vinyl to give us an area to take off shoes, especially convenient in that winter time. And of course, our nice big coat closet for all of those Michigan winter jackets. And then through here, we can see our lovely open first floor of the studio. So of course, here is going to be your living area with cable. You got nice outlets all throughout, as well as lovely vinyl in the kitchen area. Now this apartment, just like the others, will also feature fridge, stove oven, as well as a dishwasher here. And we got lots of lovely storage here for you as well. Great for a single efficiency. Now let's go upstairs and check it out. Here we've got that gorgeous spiral staircase right in front of our lovely windows up front, keeping the natural light theme going all throughout the apartment. And here, these are upstairs. So you've got a nice big open area here that's going to connect from bedroom to a seamless transition into your bathroom areas. First things first, we've got the shower and toilet here in our bathroom proper, as well as a nice vanity here, lots of space, and still giving you those fantastic drawers and under sink storage. And then last but not least, we can't forget about our closet. So we've got hanging space on both sides, as well again as some fantastic shelving for you. So again, giving you a beautiful view, not only outside, but keeping the lovely openness and seamless transitions between your different spaces in your apartment to give you a fantastic aesthetic. So if you love the latte like we do, go ahead and give us a call at 734-434-3455, or come reach us at 4907 Clover Lane Drive to take a tour. We would love to have you, and think fast because our apartments are also going fast. So we want to get you taken care of ASAP. So give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Have a good one.